From every human being there rises a light that reaches straight to heaven. And when two souls that are destined to be together find each other, the streams of light flow together, and a single, brighter light goes forth from their united being.
What can I say about Catya, except she is the perfect child and now a perfect woman. This morning, I awoke to a text from Catya that read, "Hi, Daddy. I cannot wait to see you. Love you so much." Having seen Catya grow up into the amazing woman that she is a complete blessing for me and for Michelle. She has always been a happy child, but I have never seen her as happy as she has been this week. Catya is surrounded by all her friends, family, but this forever happiness of hers comes from my new son, Armin. Armin has shown us how much he loves my daughter, and after the vows that I heard today, I welcome him completely with open arms into our family.
Armin, I cannot believe we are finally here. These past 5 years with you have been full of love, joy, and adventures. I love you because you are adventurous, strong, and have a heart of gold. You are my best friend, and I'm so happy we are on the same team. Just know I love you more than yesterday, and will love you more tomorrow. You are my soulmate, and I can't wait for forever with you.
From the moment I met you, I knew you were the one. Your smile and stunning good looks first attracted me, but your personality made me fall in love with you. You are the sweetest and most kind person I've ever met. Our love is like the universe. It never ends and will always expand until the end of time.
May beauty surround you both in the journey ahead and through all the years. May happiness be your companion and your days together be good and long upon this earth.
So with this union of hearts and hands, and by the authority vested in me by the state of California, I pronounce you husband and wife.
I could tell she was a special person because when all the guys weren't around, it was just me and him, he would always talk about wedding, family, the future. And I'm like, young men don't talk like that normally. But when they meet someone that's right, they know. And he knew from the very beginning.
Armin, we have grown to have a wonderful friendship. You bring out this adventurous spirit in my sister that I never knew she had. And I know she made the right decision to marry you. Cheers to the happy couple, and may you enjoy each other for the rest of your lives.
You are worthy of all of the love in the world, and I'm beyond thrilled that you found that in Armin. There truly is no better day when you get to marry your best friend. I cannot wait to see where life takes you guys.